Shruti, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, I am going to review a product which is something new for me especially. So Sephora has just launched in Hyderabad and in Filmore, I think also in some other mall. But I went to the Filmore mall and I was checking their products and their sheet mask and stuff, and I found this hair mask from their range. So this is basically Sephora's rose hair sleeping mask. So it has a cap inside, also the serum, the cream inside. It is from the Sephora brand itself and it says it is for the smoothing and anti-frizz. Also, there are like few things I really wanted to mention. They are dermatologically tested, and I'm just gonna read about few things that I should be taking care of before starting with this. Instructions are: before bed, apply the cream hair mask all over your dry hair, focusing specially on the ends, and place the cap over hair and let it work overnight. And in the morning, rinse well and wash if necessary. Not only just gonna rinse, but I'm gonna wash it properly with the shampoo. So yeah, few things like how it really works is it actually smoothens hair and relaxes hair fiber. It also neutralizes and prevents prevents future frizzings, and actually does deep conditioning from root to tip. So yeah, that is all written on this pack. And so I'm gonna quickly change into my bedclothes and show you guys how I'm applying this one. So here I am in my comfort clothes. So there are two sections in the pack as you see. One is the shower cap and the other one is the serum. The consistency of the product is quite thin, so there won't be any problem in applying it to the hair equally. So let's talk about the quantity of the product now. I felt the quantity is really less for a long curly hair. I have a short curly hair and the product was properly sufficient to my hair. So for thin hair there won't be a problem, but for thick hair and if you have a longer hair in precise, then this product won't be sufficient for sure. Maybe if you have to apply it like a light coat or maybe two of these. Now that I applied the serum all over, I'm gonna cover it with the shower cap and sleep over. This is the next day. I washed my hair with Pantene Total Damage Care shampoo and later used Be Blunt Total Repair leave-in cream in the shower itself. Then used a t-shirt to take off the excess water. Next, I took the same shower cap and took it inside out and placed over my damp hair to let it dry a little and get defined curls. I will see you after the whole drying process. Now that my hair is dried up, let's begin with the review. Okay, the first impressions of the mask. After I washed my hair with the shampoo, I felt like the fragrance of the oil is still there in my hair. So yeah, that's the only thing I felt. And later, after I washed my hair, it kind of felt smooth. My curls were more defined than before. So yeah, definitely a yay for that one. If you're talking about the frizz, I don't think so the frizz is gone. So after I washed my hair and dried it completely, the frizz was not that much. It kind of reduced, but then later after like 2-3 hours, the frizz is back again. Maybe in the long run it's gonna help your hair, but for the first time it's hard to see the results. But still, I would say that the hair was like kind of smooth and actually getting those really beautiful curls. So yay. So I actually wanted to try it for the whole day and next day shoot the video. So this is the second day, day 2 of the wash. So I washed my hair yesterday in the morning and the video you saw was yesterday's, and now it's the next day. I just wanted to see how the frizz goes. I'll post a picture here or the boomerang of me doing all that stupid nonsense on my Instagram stories. Yeah, that's the hair. I had like really nice, really bouncy curls, no frizz at all. So I would recommend it highly for that. But later again it changed. Maybe it'll take time in the long run maybe. So now let me talk about the price. The price of this product was 480 rupees. For this much of price, you're gonna use it only once because that comes only once. So it's kind of expensive for a hair mask. If you ask me if I'm going to use it again and again, maybe monthly once if my hair is really frizzy, and probably use the home remedies like putting banana on your hair, home DIY mask maybe. So now that I discussed about all those points, I'm gonna rate the product now. So I'm gonna rate this product 7.5 out of 10. 7.5 because it really didn't work, but maybe in the long term again, maybe as I said, maybe for the long term it's gonna work, not like once or twice. So yeah, that is one thing. And 7.5 is because I reduced the other ones because it's expensive, so it's kind of a luxury product. So 480 for that much is kind of expensive. So yeah, that is it. I'll let you know if I'm gonna use this product in the future, and I will also update you of my hair beings on my Instagram, so follow me there. So that is it for the video, you guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe and all that good stuff, and also comment below if you have any kind of a request of reviewing the products, because I'm planning to do Friday reviews every week. So Friday video is going to be the reviews video of anything and everything. So it's gonna be food, it's gonna be products or services, anything. So please let me know if you have any kind of a request, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, lots of love. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.